In this video, we will explain the meaning and causes of the E-01 error in GREE air conditioning units. Additionally, we will see how to fix it. Let's start by saying that some air conditioning units have a high-pressure switch. This switch is responsible for informing the electronic controller of the outdoor unit about the presence of abnormally high pressure. Let's see on the screen how the switch works. When the pressure in the high-pressure pipe is normal, a current signal reaches the switch, passes through the pressure switch, and returns to the electronic controller, indicating that everything is correct. Now, when the high pressure is greater than normal, the switch opens, thereby interrupting the signal, informing the electronic controller of the problem, and generating the E-01 error code. To solve the problem, follow these recommendations. 1. Turn off and disconnect the unit, and check if the error reappears afterward. 2. Check the cleanliness of the outdoor unit. If it requires cleaning, disconnect the unit and perform the necessary maintenance. 3. Disconnect the unit electrically, and check if the fan of the outdoor unit spins normally. If there are issues, verify the condition of the power connections to the fan motor. 4. Disconnect the unit, and manually check if the motor shaft rotates freely. If the blade seems stuck, the problem might be with the fan bearing. 5. Disconnect the unit from the electricity. Locate the high-pressure switch, and verify the electrical connections of the pressure switch. 6. Disconnect the electrical part of the high-pressure switch. Using a multimeter on the continuity setting, check for continuity between the switch terminals. There should be continuity while the switch is fixed to the piping. 7. With the help of pressure gauges, check the refrigerant gas pressure. If the unit has been recently recharged with refrigerant gas, it might have too much refrigerant. Connect the gauge and verify the refrigerant gas pressure, which should be around 120 pounds per square inch. 8. Use a clamp meter to check for refrigerant overpressure by measuring the electrical consumption. This is reflected through consumption above the normal or regular value specified by the manufacturer on the equipment's label.